Bluevine's business checking account is designed with small businesses and entrepreneurs in mind, aiming to make banking more rewarding and a lot less frustrating. It's all about maximizing what a regular checking account can do, especially when it comes to interest. Right now, Bluevine stands out because it offers up to 3.7% APY, significantly higher than what most traditional banks give on checking balances. To put that in real terms, the entry-level standard plan lets businesses earn 1.5% APY on balances up to $250,000, but there's a catch. Either spend $500 a month with a debit card or bring in $2,500 in monthly deposits. Stepping up to the Plus plan bumps the interest to 2.7% APY, and the Premier plan delivers the full 3.7% APY on balances up to $3 million with no activity requirements. The trade-off here is a $30 monthly fee for Plus and $95 for Premier, but both fees can be waived by maintaining certain balances and spending minimums, which means the value really depends on how much a business moves through its account. This account isn't just about the interest, though. Bluevine drops a lot of standard fees that small business owners have grown used to. No monthly maintenance fees on the standard plan, no overdraft fees, no minimum balances, and unlimited fee-free transactions. Those savings can add up, and Bluevine even claims the most active businesses save about $500 a year compared to traditional accounts. Opening the account is free too, with no initial deposit requirements, and Bluevine does a good job of making things accessible and manageable from anywhere. Check deposits are handled right through a mobile app. Business owners can easily pay bills and vendors online, and things like automated accounts payable are built right in. Sub-accounts make budgeting and organizing money simpler, and multiple debit cards with customizable spending limits let teams operate without sharing a single company card. Security and protection haven't been skipped either. Through a network of banks, Bluevine provides FDIC insurance up to $3 million, so even growing businesses with substantial cash on hand have peace of mind. Plus, with two-factor authentication, data encryption, and alert options for major account activity, there's a robust level of security built into every account. Of course, there are some drawbacks. Bluevine is an online-only solution, so anyone who still prefers walking into a branch or deals heavily in cash deposits might find this limiting. While incoming ACH transfers and wires are free, there are fees for outgoing wires and international transactions. The requirement to hit certain spending or deposit thresholds each month to access the best rates might not work for every small business, especially if monthly cash flow is tight or unpredictable. And although the Plus and Premier plans offer higher returns and added perks like more sub-accounts and free mailed checks, the monthly fees, while possible to waive, do add pressure to keep balances and card spending high. To sum things up, Bluevine Business Checking gives small business owners a way to actually earn from their checking account instead of losing money to fees. Its generous APY, no-fee standard offerings, and digital-first approach make it a solid choice for growing companies that want to maximize every dollar and manage their money from anywhere. However, it's important to be realistic about account usage. Businesses that can keep higher balances and meet activity requirements will benefit most, while those that want physical branches or don't have steady cash flow may find it less ideal. It's a compelling option, but as with any banking decision, understanding the limits and making sure it matches the specific needs of the business is essential.